If you're looking to build client portals in SuiteDash for different services, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, I'll show you how SuiteDash helps you create customizable, efficient client portals that can elevate your service delivery. But stick around till the end because I'll reveal an exclusive offer, plus some alternative software that may actually suit your needs even better. Now, let's dive into how to build these portals and why you should consider SuiteDash. First off, SuiteDash makes creating a client portal incredibly easy. You can build everything from scratch, starting with a simple interface that clients can navigate easily. Customizing this to match your business needs is straightforward. Choose your services, upload files, set permissions, and integrate payments. It's all about making your services more professional and streamlined. Next thing, let's talk about customization. SuiteDash offers extensive customization options for client portals, which means you're not stuck with a generic template. You can add your branding, configure layouts, and create unique access levels for different clients based on their service packages. Whether you're managing one-on-one consultations, team projects, or ongoing services, SuiteDash lets you tailor each portal to your exact specifications. The third thing to consider is automation. SuiteDash allows you to automate communication with your clients, which is crucial for maintaining relationships and saving time. You can automate emails, reminders, and even file requests so that the portal is constantly working for you, even when you're not around. Automating workflows ensures nothing slips through the cracks, and your clients get the updates they need promptly. Next, let's discuss security. A client portal should never compromise data privacy, and SuiteDash delivers with strong encryption, two-factor authentication, and secure file sharing. If you're managing sensitive client information, these features are non-negotiable. With SuiteDash, you can rest easy knowing that your client's data is in good hands. The fifth thing you'll appreciate is the scalability of SuiteDash. As your business grows, your client portal can grow with it. SuiteDash is built to scale easily, so whether you're adding more clients or expanding your service offerings, the platform can handle the load without compromising performance. This scalability ensures that your portal remains efficient and responsive even as your business expands. Now, here's where it gets interesting. SuiteDash may sound great, but depending on your specific needs, there might be better options. For example, if you're looking for a platform that offers even more in-depth customization or smoother integrations with third-party tools, you might want to consider alternatives. Some competitors offer simpler user interfaces or more robust client communication tools, which might be exactly what you need for certain types of services. As a bonus for sticking around, we have an exclusive offer for you. By using the link in the description, you'll not only get SuiteDash's best free trial, but also unlock some amazing benefits that aren't available anywhere else. But if you're looking for something that might better suit your goals, I'll also mention a few alternative tools that provide a more tailored experience. They offer free trials as well, and some of them could be a better fit depending on the specific services you're offering. So, whether you're ready to jump into SuiteDash or explore other options, there's something for everyone. Don't forget to check the link in the description for those exclusive benefits and free trials.